Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make this nice good scrambled egg with a little bit of bacon. Easy to do, follow along with me and I'll show you how I did scrambled eggs. Take about one. And I'm going to make up a good scrambled eggs here. I like to put a little bit of bacon bits in this. About like that, not too overpowering, just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna put a half a stick of butter, not quite half a stick, about 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay. We're just going to turn it around here and make sure we set this in quite a bit. Okay, it's about ready right there. We're going to go ahead and put that on the plate. Okay, now we're going to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on this. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. Look at that. Oh my God. That's so good. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you do, just gotta hit that bell so you miss a notification. And I'll see you next time.